Let's have a look at the alto clef. It looks a little bit like the letter K, and it curves in to the middle line on the stave. Now if we were to draw a note right on that middle line, that is middle C. So the alto clef is also known as the C clef. Now let's have a look at what that means on the viola. We have a ledger line, and under that ledger line is the open C string. Then the open G on the bottom space. Then the open D on the third space. And sitting above, right on top of, the top line is the open A string. Now a way to remember that is cool guys or girls do art. That's just a little rhyme to help us remember the open strings for the viola. Now, what if we were to write the C major scale? Here's the open C string on the viola, and there is in the piano. That's D, E, F. Then we go on to the open G string. Then A. Then B. And here we are at middle C. Now, what if we were to start on middle C? Okay, and here it is. We start on middle C, so we move the whole piano keyboard up. Okay, there it is. Then go to the open D string. Then E. Then F. And then G. Now open A. Now B is sitting on the ledger line, and then C moves above that ledger line. And there is C major, scale 2 octaves on the alto clef.